class of 2025. You're here for a reason. You see, you finished the journey set before you. Through long nights, big questions, and unwavering faith, Liberty started with a single vision on a mountain in Lynchburg, Virginia. A spark that grew, fueled by conviction and courage. Whether you studied on this mountain or online, you're part of something bigger. A legacy. One built to train champions for Christ, called to impact the world academically, athletically, and spiritually. A legacy that carries our flame forward, igniting every calling with knowledge aflame. It began with the vision of one man who dared to believe that faith and education together could change the world. And now, that vision lives on in you.
God wants to burn a vision into your heart. You're not called to fill up space. You're not just an occupant. You're not just a spectator. You're supposed to be a participant in God's primary goal. And so that's our mission. God has called you to achieve, to win. You have no right to be ordinary. God has called you to be extraordinary. you're going to change this world for Christ. When you leave the graduation platform of liberty, I want you to leave it running. Leave it running with a vision burning in your soul. Write the vision, make it plain. We're training champions to change the world.